How to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10 for free. So if you want to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10 for free, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, you need to just go with search and search for Windows 10 download. Once you search for it, you need to go with Windows download 10. Now here, you need to just scroll down and you will have an update now option, or you may have a download now option. Here under create Windows 10 installation media, you need to go with download now. And once you click on download now, it will download the file at first. So just wait for a few seconds till it downloads the file. On the top right, as you can see that you'll have your media creation tool. So wait for it to download. After downloading the creation tool, you need to just click on it and click on yes. And it will start the Windows 10 setup. So just proceed with the following steps and you'll be able to upgrade from your Windows 7 to your Windows 10. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.